Here we go!
Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Zachary, and welcome back to a Minecraft tutorial. Today, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a redstone timer or a redstone clock. So, the materials you will need 4 redstone repeaters, 4 redstone dust, 1 redstone torch, and 1 block of your choice. So what you do is you place down one and you see if the arrow, that little arrow right there, you see if that is like going that way, and then you place another one, but it should be going this way. Then this one should be going this way, and then this one should be going this way. So it makes like a circle, and you connect them up with your redstone dust, so it makes a full circuit. But then what you do is you charge it up, you put a redstone torch right by here, then you take your block and really quickly place the block, and then break the redstone torch. And then what you do is you break the block, and then it starts to do like this flickering pattern. And the cool thing with this is you can hook it up to different redstone stuff, like this. So let's say I wanted to have a piston going sporadically. I do something like this. So now it's just pushing up and down without having a lever, just me clicking it. And then another thing, you can hook it up to dispensers to do something like this. To fire out fireworks or something like that, to make a cool pattern. And then if this is getting annoying, stop it by breaking the block. So then if you want to reactivate it, you put the block back, you charge it up, and then you break the charge, and then you break it really quick. Then it starts again. So that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell since I am going to be uploading a lot of videos this week. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.